how calm it is. Alright, so currently we're going up to go get ice, like, how many more bags?
5.
Yeah, 5 more bags of ice, so this is going to be interesting. We already have 7 bags, and guess what? Our fridge is now our washing machine, so yeah, you'll find out why in a few days. The power does go out. So yeah. So guys, after the storm hits, everybody's probably not even going to come back. I mean, like, seriously, these houses are probably not even going to be sustainable. They're probably not going to be able to recover. So that's unfortunate. Home we go. Actually, we're almost home. So, yeah. Then once we get home, I'm gonna take a shower and do that stuff. So, yeah. Yes. My mom just got on Facebook and saw a live video of the beach right now. So, once she's done posting, reposting it. Also, guys, I don't know why, but so comfortable. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's how. 40 miles away from us. Yeah. I'm glad that we don't live at the beach, but we're close to Myrtle Beach right now. Yeah, but I'm glad that we don't live at the beach, but we're pretty close to it. But yeah, that's how it is. Gonna die. Oops. It's already getting bad, guys. Good. I'm gonna go and take a shower just in case the wind starts getting bad. Also, there was a fucking lizard that went under there. Well, anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys my fridge at the moment. Hey pigs, how are you? Dingo! There she is. Hi! Hi, big baby. Ignore the dog shit and piss on it. That's disgusting, but you see, it's nature. So this is currently our washing machine. Where the hell is the light? See, I don't even know how the hell this house works anymore. Yep, this is our washing machine. Ice. All ice. We needed more ice, but apparently this is good for now. So yeah. Yep. So if the power goes out, and if it doesn't go out, well then, because it's a washing machine full of fucking ice, but you know, in case the power goes out, then we'll just have a little thing. And plus, hey, more food. Yeah, I said that. Don't tell Mom I did that. Mom! Anyways, I don't know what the hell my mom's outside doing, but she's probably on her phone. Get off that phone! So yeah. Dingo! No cookie. Yes, Mom's coming in. She heard Mom. That's why. That's it. Good girl. Oops. Well, she doesn't care as long as she gets a cookie. And I forgot to put away my pads. Yeah, that's TMI, but I don't care. This is a vlog, so you guys gotta know what I'm doing. So, yeah. Yes, I am an extra ass bitch and have to have nighttime pads with daytime pads because I don't know how the hell girls stand like fucking pads for the daytime. I don't know how the hell they can stand sleeping with that. But, I can't even stand that. I mean, like, it's too damn thick. I mean, yeah, those are really thick too, but I mean, like, they're not that bad. Are these 10-hour production? Oh, yeah, they're. Yeah, I know, that sounds uncomfortable, but I mean, like, if you were bad, it would bleed through. Pigs! There's a cookie in the TV in the oven! Yep. You guys can't really see them. There's Cook. There's a Cook. And then there's a Daisy. And then little man's in there, in this house. And then there's a Tina. Anyways, let's go down the hallway. My phone's at like 33%, so I gotta charge it soon. Spoopy. Yes, I do look like this. Do I care now? I'm hungry. As always. Anyways. Yeah, I'm not sure how the fuck people can stand those. Also, yeah, I have these, but you don't want to know how long those are. Seriously, if you think that these two are the same, these two are a drastic ass fucking difference, okay? If you are like a man or just don't wear pads, period, these are too damn long. Like, long. That's what she said. Here's my messy ass room. It's not even that bad. So yes. There goes my Beats that I never charge anymore because I'm a dumbass. There goes my charger. And some more pads in a bag because yes. And then my jacket. And a pair of sweatpants. Yes. Okay. Already worn these like 2 or 3 times this week, but I don't care. Yes, these pants are kind of see-through, but I mean, fuck it. These things are too comfortable. And I also have a shirt to go with it, but unfortunately it is long-sleeved and it's too damn hot for that, so. Not wearing this, but I will grab this. I don't want something more comfortable. See here, guys, this is the issue with picking out outfits, even whenever it's like nighttime outfits. See there. And then the dude that makes me do all my bad decisions in life. Let's see if I should ask him a question. Should I fix my hair? No, he's off. Should I fix my hair?
Ask again later.
Bit. Should I fix my hair?
The answer is yes.
I wanted you to say no.
Ask again later.
Last time he didn't even say that. Last time he either said yes or no. So, yeah. Anyways, let's turn him off. Yes, this is a iCarly thingy for McDonald's, because this is like really old, but whatever. I'm sure it'll die pretty soon. If it doesn't, alright. I don't know what else I'm going to show you guys. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and show it off. Oh hey, look. It's my brother and I. That's the most cutest thing in the fucking photo. But this is my favorite picture right here of him. I don't have it on my phone, but yeah. That is just fucking adorable. Anyway. Yes. With that light on, this room is actually pretty dark. Especially with the TV off. Yeah, I'm not sure what takes my mom so long outside. That phone. But no, seriously, she's taking a long ass time. She's died. Kidding. I don't know if you guys can see this, but she's literally over there on her fucking phone. So. Yeah, and you guys thought that I was on my phone too much. For a 15-year-old, I'm not on my phone that much. Because I got a computer. Yeah, I'm normally on the computer 90% of the time, so, yeah. In 2 ways, I'm gonna go get some food. Right after I change my pants. Yeah, that was disgusting. I know, I don't care.
That's not ladylike. Get off that phone!
Actually, I might go outside and steal some food out of the car. That sounds like a good idea. Okay, put on the sugar old shoes. You know what? I don't know why, but I decided to go all out with this fucking outfit and act like make it look like I was kind of like not caring. True fact. That's why I didn't wear my nice pair of shoes. Also, these ones aren't good anymore. These two. So that's why I didn't wear them. But I didn't wear my nice ones because, I mean, like, this outfit just kind of speaks for itself. It's kind of like that I don't care outfit. Like, you know, you can physically see it. I'm going outside to steal some food. I'll be right back. Actually, no, I'm going to take you guys with me. Hell yeah, we're going to die. This is how I'm going to be during the storm. If a lizard takes my phone, No, this is seriously how I'm going to be during the storm, guys. Did you get it? Send that to me. Can you send it to me? Wait, let me see it. Just took a picture of me doing that. I tried to do my most serious face. Wait, show me it quick.
Just a minute. I'm laughing my ass off my kid.
Oh, look, my video is 15 minutes long.
To carry her on an adventure.
That caption, though. No, you know what's gonna carry me on an adventure? That cart that we got for housekeeping. You know what? Let me go get on it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, no. Wait, take another one. I got something even funnier. Listen, no. These Jura models are quaking. This is proof I'm not okay, guys. Yes, I'm sitting on this cart. Do I give a fuck? I'm gonna wear out these shoes one day. 1 minute. This tree is dead, like me. And I'll put the photos right here as I'm walking around the house waiting for my mom to get off her phone. So yeah. As you can see, I'm a crazy child. Huh? Anyway. Yeah, I never get out and walk around the house anymore because you wanna know why? I just don't know how the fuck to keep their damn dog inside, that's why. It's a big ass Labrador too. There's dog shit on the ground, so it doesn't really help. That was a whole fucking butterfly. I just freaked myself out over damn butterfly. Oh look, my food. I haven't sat on these swings. Oh my god, no. Actually, I don't think that'll be that good. Okay. Alrighty. Let's take this back inside, I guess. And then there goes our